I haven't done one of these for a while. I'm back. And I feel great. I am back to the land of the living. And back in the shed. Back in my garage. And as you can see, it's an absolute bloody mess. So, there's still gift wrapping paper. I wrapped the presents for Christmas in here. The very first job I need to address is cleaning out the shed, including moving the Beetle. It's been months and months since I've been in this shed. Well, no, that's a lie. It's been months since I've done anything in this shed. It seems I have been in here regularly just to put stuff down, wrap Christmas presents perhaps. Had to service the chainsaw. I've done little bits of basically nothing since November till now. So it's cleaning up. Priority number one. But before any of that can happen, I'm going to take the Beetle out of the shed. It's the smell. Can you smell that? It smells like an old Volkswagen Beetle. This is so awesome. I very rarely even get in this car anymore. It's very special to me. Actually, you may have seen, I did a video a while back, there'll be a link perhaps, of all my different cars. But this one was my first car. And my mum bought it brand new. So I'll do a whole video just on this car. But today I've got to get it out of the shed. It is actually no longer mine. And I'll be sticking it on a trailer and delivering it to Perth. Battery's in, ignition is working. I'm going to take the engine cover off the back here, take the whale tail off. We'll give it a few turns manually. Okay, there's oil in it. Motor turns over nice and freely. This belt's knackered, but like I said, it's being moved onto a trailer, and that's as far as it's going today. Ah, come on in. That's a good start. Okay, we don't want to burn out the starter motor, but that's going to at least bring some oil up around the motor. Oh, she nearly wanted to. I'll go prop this up at the back. You can see it start up, blow fumes of smoke. Let's see. I'll prop you up on the doorpost here. This time. Right, hey, it starts. Like I said, if you want to find out more about this car, where it's headed, where it came from, and why it sounds quite as lumpy as it does, yeah, stick around for a future episode of the Easy As Motorsports Garage. Oh, I like that. That's fun. That's good. I'll have to play a soundtrack to make it seem as though the engine's going.
You good?
Really looking at me there, are you? There we go. Ha ha ha! Oh, did I spit on it? Shit. Okay. You're currently standing where the Beetle was. It is now at my dad's house. And you're standing where it used to sit. What a mess! So, clean up time. XL is back in the shed. It's now a little bit tidier in here. The shelves are making themselves useful with all tubs of crap buried up in there. I've given the floor a bit of a vacuum, and now I can do some work on that. My GoPro's stuffed, so this is being filmed on my phone. I don't know what happened there. Everything seems to be at various degrees of broken or filthy or... yeah. That thing on the driveway is a little bit hammered at the moment as well. I've got things out the window here in the backyard that are all sorts of broken. Just about everything's due for a service. There's not really much of a better place to be though. Neighbours chopping wood, birds chirping, in the country. Wicked cold at the moment. But I'm happy. I've got a smile on my face. Yeah, which I'm actually a little bit surprised that I'm still smiling at this point. I think I've worked all of about 5 weeks in the entire year. Because I've been really crook. Sick. To start with, I had no idea what was wrong with me. Turns out it was just a bit of an infection that was making all my muscles go completely spastic and making me exhausted after about an hour of doing just about anything. But they found out what was wrong, gave me the right medicine, and I felt like a human being again. So we're back washing cars, detailing, doing all of that sort of thing. Life has returned to some extent to normal. Life is crazy. Life is crazy. Yeah. What I still have the XL. So that was the only goal this year really, is not have to sell my car. And on Friday, well, you'll just have to wait till the next video, but I'm about as excited as I was the very first time I ever drove a race car. For completely different reasons. No, not completely different. Still race car reasons. Stay tuned for the next video to find out. I still have a lot of work to do. You can't see anything here. The workbench, I'm going to take a photo. I've still got tons to clean up in the shed. Yep, that's where I'll be, in the shed. Bugs.